Every time you want to park a car, now we have to pay by online. This is the code here. So yeah, we pay online now, which is very convenient. And park here. So we are parking for how many hours?
Well, let's do it for 1 hour first.
1 hour. Cost us $1.50. Where are we going now today, Gabriel?
We're gonna eat Tomo sushi.
Yes, this is one of our favorite restaurants, Sushi. Tomo Japanese. Thank you, Zion.
Somewhere in the lounge. I just want the shrimp tempura, California salad.
Ooh, you can pick the roll.
Do you know that humans first are vegetarian?
I know, that was like so messed up.
Yeah, that was so messed
Oh, what do you like better though? Be honest.
Me? Yeah, obviously I like meat, but I do understand vegetable.
Conclusion.
It doesn't mean that I'm not gonna eat vegetable.
Conclusion.
Miso soup.
Too hot.
Dia suka doa.
Puno.
Avocado.
Sama avocado right?
Salad mango. Gabibuchi.
Dia right?
Udah?
Bang kamu kerja prinsip. Ya.
Shrimp tempura, salmon.
Eat it.
So I eat the whole thing.
Eat the whole thing, Zion. It's good. There you go. Learn to eat wasabi now.
It's too spicy.
Try a little bit. You can mix it with the soy sauce.
It's too spicy. I
Oh, yeah,
tried
too
it.
spicy. Okay, so I'm having the salmon, sushi, dumpling, fried rice, and the vegetable. Cecile is
Well, this is my bento box. I have the shrimp tempura, and this is California roll, the shumai, the salad, and the rice. And
makan cuy.
this is the yogurt. What you want? Oh yes, yes, I can. This is the spicy tuna, spicy salmon, and this is the same like yours. I am. Eat yours.
I'm gonna try the sushi too.
California roll for you.
Where's my? Oh, this is good.
This is so good.
This is Japanese shumai. So yummy. Well, I'm gonna dip this spicy mayo sauce. Makan cuy, eat.
Oh, there's good lighting here. No, we need to go to Indonesian store now to get some stuff. So we're currently in Amherst, New York. Now Amherst is known, we normally call it like Indonesians village. A lot of Indonesians people here. Since we have a lot of Indonesian here, we have a lot of Indonesian restaurants, Indonesian stores as well. So let's go to the store and let's check it out. Sumatra, this is one of the Indonesian restaurants. We also have another one there called Asian Taste. So next time we go there and eat in the restaurant and do some review.
Buat teman-teman yang nanya, toko supermarket salah satunya ini nih, supermarket Indo, Asian Taste Store. Kita ke situ. Aku perlu beli kecap manis.
The other way. Zion, look what's there.
Can we actually get one?
Only if you dance. Zion, we have a lot of Indomie accounts.
So you scammed him.
We're not getting one.
So you scammed him. You scammed the Indomie king.
Well, anyway, so they do sell a lot of Indonesian food here, and the one and only Indomie mee goreng right here. They sell a lot of teas here, the tongji, Oh, this is for cooking.
Oh, the cooking, yeah. So mau cari apa aja ada di sini di Indo.
The hot sauce. The ABC hot sauce. All the drinks. Yeah, bye. Thank you. Zion, we have some fans. Can you remember this?
Oh yeah.
Wow, they do have Korean spicy chicken mixed up.
Yeah.
This is Uncle Roger's favorite brand.
SMG?
Yeah.
MSG?
Blue Band.
What's it called?
Dua kelinci. Joy Pan. $7.
Bro, do it!
The part of the deal was no recording, guys. So you got it back.
Come on, give it out. 3, 2, 1, go.
No. How about you sing, Papa? Papa, how about you sing first, then I'll do it.
Come on, Gabriel.
No. How about you sing?
How do you do the rest?
Show him, Gabriel. Show him.
Alright, let me put it in my phone.
No, Coco, you do it, bro. That was part of the.
Hiya.
Come on, do it!
Shamina, mina, waka, waka, I did it. That's it, no more. Ooh.
Snowing today. We're going to Mitsua with my mom, with my sister, and everybody else in the back. Mitsua, they do have a lot of parking here. We're gonna eat some ramen. Let's go.
I have a friend that literally takes the train from New York City just to come here.
To Mitsua.
Yeah. I forgot. I don't know.
This is the supermarket and the one-piece cart. Oh, they play card here.
Can we buy one?
No. What? You wanna buy? We don't really play this card. We just like to see the cards. It's so awesome.
Guys,
Huh?
no, once
Manakuma card.
it was all ripped up and then.
I guess this is the most expensive one right here. So cool.
They look pretty too.
How come only 5,000 power?
Oh, this is the price I gave you. It's about $12.
Pre-constructed deck. It also comes with a packet for free.
How much is
Oh, you watch One Piece?
like I'm an
You
on and
don't
off.
even watch One Piece.
No, I'm on and off. I'll watch it, but then I'll like take a break and I'll get back
I see.
into it.
I wonder how do you play it? So
Yeah,
I'm
I don't know
interested
how
to
to play
learn.
it, but I feel like it would be fun.
Yeah.
The Royce is there. You wanna see Royce?
This is a Thai sweets. Mochi here. Oh, this is Zion's favorite. Oh no, Zion.
Alright,
Thank you.
you're welcome.
What flavor is this?
It's the semi-sweet. It's the Ecuador sweet that we have. It's one of our new regular options.
Can I also try one? Thank you.
Of course.
Thank you so much. Oh, good, man.
I don't know how they make so much fake rice.
I'm gonna get the ramen.
Yeah, me too. You don't want
like the
ramen?
Yeah, ramen's good.
Yeah, the ramen is the best.
One spicy miso and another large. Yeah, large. One spicy miso. And then another one is large with the regular miso.
Oh wait, our food is here.
Oh wait, that's your.
We have more. Okay, so we are eating the ramen. How do you like the ramen, Gabriel?
That's really good.
Oh, it's really good. Right?
Can I have my ramen? That's spicy.
That's mine. This is my ramen. It's a spicy miso ramen. Ooh, David, what do you have, David?
Tempura,
Ooh.
broccoli, chicken, shrimp, and sweet potato.
Do you like it?
Yeah, delicious.
All right. How about you, Vanessa?
What do you have?
I have beef udon and then onigiri.
All right. Good. 1 to 10.
10.
I have soba.
Oh, soba. So that's udon. That's soba.
Yeah,
Looks the same.
soba.
Okay.
Color is darker and skinnier. And I also have tempura, shrimp tempura and veggie tempura. It's really good. Wanna try? You want some?
You go ahead first.
What's in there? Rice and
Delicious.
An eel. It's good.
Let's bite. Miso ramen, spicy miso ramen. That's all the meats and the vegetables and stuff. Put it in. We also order extra egg here.
It's the egg like this. Look, okay, I'll show you. Ayan, bit more. So it's fine because it's fine. You can eat it. You like the meat?
Ramen. Whoa,
Maybe
ice
you should
cream.
try that one.
Ooh, look at Zion.
Do they have
He's
strawberry of it?
interested. We are going to get a triple cocoon.
I want to try the triple cocoon.
Sure.
Can I just share it with like who's getting it?
Me and let me answer. Yang kamu ada buat gift sama Zion apa? I don't think they get a triple scoop. So I'll give you Zion only one scoop. Oh, they still has to give you. Oh, you bless you.
Okay, then that's yours.
Thank you.
I thought you're getting ice cream. I guess
Yeah, this is the
not.
ice cream. They mix it with the, like, make it.
Oh. You like it?
Ice, thank you. Oh, what is this?
you need this.
Let's go.
So this is called the Mont Blanc on top of the hojicha ice cream. The bottom has the hojicha ice cream. This is the Mont Blanc matcha Mont Blanc. So let's give it a try.
This tastes like vanilla. Ah, this tastes like vanilla.
Yeah, the white one, right? Oh, that one? This is the matcha or green tea.
Let's go.
Let's try the hojicha. This is hojicha. So sekarang anak mau ambil darah.
Woi, ada yang tegang. Sayang, gebel. Ketakutan semua. No.
Relax, relax.
You also need to take a urine. No, it's not.
How many bottles do you have?
Same four.
If you have one, I'll
Okay, give it. Don't feel anything, right? Give it. Good job. Good job.
I'm so proud of you.
1 to 10.
Good job.
It hurts so much.
Oh yeah.
1 to 10. What is the pain level?
Like 2 trillion.
Oh,
Oh,
no.
2
How about you?
trillion? How about you?
3 trillion.
Competitor. Look, it's competitor. Yeah, they also sell the drink.
Lunchly and Lunchables.
Yeah, this is not Lunchly.
Oke, jualan roti, banyak roti-roti, kue.
Enak ya.
You like yogurt?
Yes,
Yeah, they don't
Which
have
one?
yogis here.
this one.
What? Iya, tadi udah lihat.
That's what I want.
Ayam
Nah,
goreng.
it looks too opposite.
899.
Wait, how does that cost like
Mas 99. Ayo saya bayar. Ayo lo. Saya nggak ada duit. Sayang, ada duit.
Happy? Hey, what do you get from shopping? Show papi.